Now, let us see how to solve this typical question. It's an Olympiad question. So, x plus xy plus y is equal to 54. We have to find the value of x plus y. So, let's see how to do this. Okay, let's start with the solution. Now, question given is x plus xy plus y is equal to 54. Now, if you see this, here x and xy. So there is x common. So let us take out common x from these two terms. So when you take out x common, so these two terms, first two terms have x in common. So let us take out x from these two terms. When you take out x from these two terms, from these two, what will be there? You will be getting x bracket 1 plus x bracket 1 plus y is equal to 54. Okay. Now here let's add 1 on both sides. That is what I say, what we're doing, adding 1 on both sides. When you add 1 on both sides, what happens here? See, this is also y plus 1, this is y plus 1. Okay. And this is, so it is, see this, x 1 plus y plus, you can take this as a common bracket, put them in a bracket and write 1 outside is equal to 55. So now 1 plus y is common. So let us take out as common. You'll get x plus 1, y plus 1 is equal to 55. Okay, so it's a product of two numbers. Two numbers, when you multiply, you should get 55. If you see here, x plus 1, since 1 is being added, so you must have x greater than 1 because we have to get 55. Similarly, y also has to be greater than 1. So, since 1 is being added to x and y, therefore x must be greater than or equal to 2 and y must be greater than equal to 2. So, we need to find the product of two numbers equal to 55. Because when you multiply these two, you should get 55. So let us see what are the possibilities. That is, let's find the factors of 55. Factors of 55. You see here, what is it you're getting? 1 into 55 or 11 into 55. Is 11 into 5? 55. So if you see a 1, so that means one of the value of x should be 1. But the condition should be, it should be greater than 2 only. Only then you will be able to get to 55. So that means this uh, option is ruled out. So this could be the next option. Now x is equal to x plus y into y plus 1 is equal to 55 means 11 into 5 should be 55. So here we get two cases. Which are the two cases? Case 1, that is x plus 1 is equal to 11 and y plus 1 is equal to 5. X plus y x plus 1 is equal to 11. So let's take the sum. This side you'll get x is equal to 11 minus 1, that is x is equal to 10. Or the second case will be y is equal to 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. So your x value is 10 and y value is 4. Let's see the second case. What could be the second case? X plus 1 is equal to 5 and y plus 1 is equal to 11. So x is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4, and y is equal to 10 minus 1, that is equal to 10. So our two values will be x is either, if it is x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 4, then x plus y will be 14. And similarly, if x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 10, the x plus y will again be 14. So we get therefore x plus y is equal to 10 plus 4, that is 14, or x plus y is equal to 4 plus 10 is 14. That means sum of x plus y is 14. Okay, so that's how you find this method. So if you have understood the thing, so please, if you have liked my application explanation, so click on the subscribe and like icon for more such videos. I am developing more videos on such typical Olympiad questions. So it will be easy. So my channel is Easy Learning, my number. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. Thank you.